Hey guys, I caught this one.
On a jig. He caught it on a pretty nice jig. He fought hard too. He's still got some energy in him. Dang.
I got the first one of the day with the jig.
Aiden
just likes holding fish, so.
He's about a 2-pounder though.
Yeah, let's get some footage of me holding him. And then we'll make a video with you too. Come on. Put my pole down. Oh yeah, nice one.
Yeah.
He's long.
Yeah, he is. He's pretty big too.
And here's the release. Oh, do you want to get a video with you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, we'll get.
Can't reach over.
Want me to?
Release. There he goes. He's off.
We'll get back to you with some more fish, hopefully.
Yep. Bye.
Bye.
And we'll get back to you with any more fish. Bye.
Yeah, we're at the creek and Aiden caught that chub. He's making a video too. So we'll try to get back to you with some more fish. This is another spot in the creek. Then I made my last creek video. So Aiden got this huge chub. He got away.
Hey guys, I just got a chub. Hey guys, in the creek again, still. And I got this chub, medium size.
He's
from my small
fat.
one and my big one. Yeah, pretty slimy, active. Yeah, good fish, creek minnow.
Catching one on hot dogs and salami.
With Avery.
Yeah.
See you.
Got this little fat one. They're all fat. I guess they're spawning or something. Don't you think so?
Maybe, yeah. Hang on, don't release it yet.
I don't want to touch it because it's so fat.
Avery finally caught a fish, a little warmouth.
Fat one.
Yeah, so we'll get back to you with another fish that I'll probably catch next. I'll wipe the audio.
You're not going to have audio?
No, I may just put music behind it.
Whip him.
Bait me, boy.
Let's go. A little warmouth. Yeah.
Hang on, keep him on.
I was just going to release him. There's no point in showing the release. We doubled up. I still have mine on. And he has his on. Yeah.
Me and Avery just doubled up with warmouth.
Mr. Midget Chub.
Dang, is he small.
Warmouth.
Got him.
Got the one warmouth today. Aiden, I'll meet you at your house, okay? Will you be there?
Yeah.
So I'll be by your door, but I got this one. It might be the last one of the day. I'll get the release and try to get more fish. Got my first chub of the day. Using hot dogs. A small little guy. Safety. There we go. There's a crawfish coming out of this hole, that crawfish hole, but he went in. I had a bullhead on, but nice one. He got off. I could see through the water when it was really sunny, in the sun part. I'm going to flip in right there in the crawdad, and if I don't get anything, I'm going to go back. But so that last fish might be the end. Last fish. Oh my god, guys, I just caught this crawdad with my hook. He just came off, but there he is. I just caught him with my hook. Wow. And I didn't flip in that hole where I was. I was just using that on that log and he bit. Is he still hooked? No, he's not hooked. But oh my god. Well guys, that was the last crawfish or fish of the day. I'm gonna go back and hope you like this episode, and please comment if you like to see more creek videos. I could try to get you some bullheads caught, but none today.